Hey, what's up guys? Shawnrealty here. So is 2022 good time to buy real estate or should you wait? If you're thinking about that, please watch this video. I'm going to touch on sort of an overall picture and try to give you a clear answer. Really nobody really knows what's going to happen with the market, but based on what I see, the dots that I've seen in 2008 until now, 2008 is when I actually started the real estate, and when everybody was leaving the industry, I went in. There are many indicators that are very different than now compared to 2008. One of the biggest one is the rental rate. The rental properties, the rent was probably close to or more than closer to half of what it is right now. Unfortunately, for those renters out there, the rent is just skyrocketing. It might be actually faster going up than the home prices. So, for example, about 20-25% of the last quarter purchases were done by the investors. A lot of hedge fund money, they're actually buying up some, some states, they're buying up whole block of neighborhood. That could mean like 200 homes as a bundle, I should say. They're buying that up and they're planning to hold and rent out and hold. So that means those homes aren't going to be available to buy. And that basically dries up the inventory too. So this is the part that we don't really hear much about because, in my opinion, the corporate media is really driven by the big money. So they're not going to share this information with you. So where are we? The interest rate is really high, but compared to when I bought my first home, I think I paid like 6.25%. So it was actually 1% higher. But you might say, Shawn, but the price was like nothing back then. It's true. Price is way higher right now. So is this a good time to buy in 2022? It depends. If you're needing a home, if you're renting, I think it's still a good time to buy. If you are really needing the space because you work a lot at home and you need a home office, you gotta buy one now, and it's okay to buy now as long as you plan to refinance the mortgage when the rate drops a little bit, because the home price doesn't appear to go down in any next 6 months or 1 year foreseeable future. I don't see price going down. The market has slowed down a little bit because of the interest rate going up. Some buyers are priced out because of the higher interest rate, and then the market is slowing down. That means instead of competing against like 15-20 buyers for one home, you may be competing against like 3 to 7 buyers. That still means there's multiple offers all the time. The price is going up. We may not see like 25% annual appreciation, but it might be anywhere between 5 or 10% or maybe even 15% increase year after year. So in 2023, simply put, like $600,000 home will become more likely become 650 or 700K. So you're going to lose out on that price as far as I can see. It could change, but this is all based on the supply and demand right now. And the other fact is that other investment classes are really volatile, like stock market, crypto. They're all really red right now. And so more money is coming into real estate because real estate tend to be so far, except for 2008, pretty stable compared to the other asset classes. So the question is, do you have enough needs to buy? If so, better buying now in 2022. If you don't have a clear goal, if you don't have a clear need, it might be okay until the interest rate drop a little bit. But if you have cash, I think this is a great time to buy still because the price is still low, right? and you don't get affected by the interest rate. So that is sort of like a quick 5-minute real estate update in 2022. I'm not saying this because I'm a real estate agent. Some of you don't even know me. Some of you might know me. So it's not about me trying to push the product. It's just try to share with you. I'm just trying to share with you what's really going on out there. So, but if you're thinking about buying or selling, you know who to call. I don't know if you can see. And I'll be happy to help. Talk to you soon.